Hi, today we're going to talk about machine learning. Don't worry if you have never heard of it. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a good idea about what it is, why it matters, and the different ways it works. So let's get started. What exactly is machine learning? Imagine if your computer could learn things just like you do. It could learn from experiences, make decisions, or guess what might happen next, all without someone having to tell it exactly how to do these things. That's what machine learning is all about. Basically, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and make decisions or predictions without being explicitly programmed. You might be wondering why machine learning is important. Well, it's like a super smart helper that is getting better and smarter every day. It's behind lots of things you use daily, like helping your music app guess which song you do like to hear next, or helping your email figure out if a message is a spam or not. I'm sure you might have heard of ChatGPT by now. If not, look it up. It's doing amazing things. The importance of machine learning cannot be overstated. There are three main ways that machine can learn: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let's start with supervised learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where a computer program is trained on labeled dataset. In simple terms, it's like the machine is a student and we are the teacher. We give it examples to learn from, like showing a kid how to tie their shoes. Then the machine can use what it learned to do similar things on its own. With unsupervised learning, we don't have any labels, or the machine learns from unlabeled data. The machine learning program has to find patterns and relationships in data all by itself. We don't tell it what's right or wrong. We just let it explore and figure out things on its own. It's like leaving a kid in a playroom and letting them decide what to play with. On the other hand, reinforcement learning is a bit like training a pet. If the machine does something good, it gets a treat. If it does something wrong, there's no treat. Over time, it learns how to get more treats. So this is how it gets to learn. And then there is something called deep learning. This is when a machine can learn really complicated things by setting up its own rules and patterns. It's a bit like how you might figure out a tough puzzle piece by piece. We see machine learning in action every day when you watch a movie online and get suggestions for what to watch next. That's supervised learning. When you see ads for things you might like, that's usually unsupervised learning. And when a robot learns to walk without falling over, that's reinforcement learning. Deep learning is used for things like understanding what's in a picture or translating one language into another. And there you have it. That's a quick look at what machine learning is all about. We will dive deeper into these topics in our upcoming lessons. So stay tuned. Until next time, keep learning.